make a remote control car, so let's get started. So the materials required are 4 gear motors with tires, a remote control receiver with its controller. I have taken it from an old remote control car, a scissors, cardboard cutter, battery, 9-volt battery with its connector, wires and glue gun for sticking. We also need a big piece of cardboard to make the car smooth. What we need is a cardboard piece measuring 24 into 17 centimeter. So now I am going to stick the 4 gear motors on this cardboard sheet with the help of the glue gun. Now I have connected the wires. Through these 2 holes, connecting all these connections. Now I will connect this with the receiver. The receiver has 6 wires and 2 headlights LED. So now I will connect this. You can use soldering iron. Now I have connected the batteries. This B plus is the positive lead of the battery, which I have connected to a switch, and I have taken another wire and connected with the batteries positive, and there is a G and T ground. I have connected it with black, means negative. Now as you can see, there's MF, MB, MR and ML. MF is for front, MB back, MR right, ML left. And there are 2 headlights also, 2 LEDs. Now we will make the car's board. I have cut 2 cardboard pieces for the side of the car. I have taken 3 pieces. This is the roof, back and front. In the front, put 2 holes for the LED lights to be like a headlight. Now I am going to stick all of them